What's happening, guys? Can't wait to show y'all. I just got a new pet today. Her name is Annie. I think you're gonna love her. This is her. This is Annie. Say hi, Annie. Good girl. Annie can also do tricks. Annie, sit. Good girl. Annie, lay down. Good girl. All right, Annie, sit up. Roll over. Good girl. Good job, Annie. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? Good girl. So, Annie is a rescue. Her previous owners didn't take too good a care of her, so she needs to see a vet. Luckily, I've got one here that I think can help out. Can you help her, Mr. Vet? Yep. No, y'all are making friends.